Hello, this is James from the City of Tech, and in my previous video I said I picked up LCD plasma cleaning kit, and I'm gonna unbox it and do a review. And so let's get started. I've pre-cut the top so I've made it easier for the video. Sorry for the dark light shades, guys. So I do have my camera in one hand, so it's kind of difficult for me. Hold on, guys. So the first thing you'd get out of the package is this live wire cleaning solution. And so that's out of the box. Then you have a cloth and a brush. So let's get those out. Reaching in for the cloth, if I can just grab it. Oh boy, this is very difficult because I actually have the camera in one hand and the box in the other. So just unboxing with one hand. Let me just place this camera down. Why didn't I think of that before? So take that out. Oh, so the brush decided to come out. So guys, there's the brush. Sweep, sweep, sweep. We've got a little hand, I don't know why. And last but not least, the microfiber cloth. Just before we get everything underway, let's have a look at what it says at the back. It says LCD plasma cleaning kit can also be used on laptops, cameras, phones, MP3 players. Designed for use on TVs, LCD, plasma, TFT, CRT, and cell phones, and camera LCD screens, etc. LCD, TFT, CRT screens have a special coating for protection and picture quality. This coating can easily be damaged by regular cleaning product cloths. Live wire cleaning solution and high-tech microfiber cloth have been developed to remove dirt, smears, dust, and fingerprints without damaging or scratching the surface. Live wire cleaning solution reduces the static electricity and provides UV protection. Live wire audio and video. So it doesn't say what to start off with first. Let's just read this. I'm just gonna do a quick read on that. Okay, I'm gonna guess that you spray this on. This is not an actual working monitor. I just this is just a spare monitor to do this video. I got to do this video. So let's just start spraying on. Don't know whether you can see it, but I am actually spraying. Let's go for that as finished. Yep, you saw that then. I am spraying on the screen. Let's go for the brush. I don't know what the brush is for. I don't actually know what the brush is for. I think it's for this. Let's hope I'm right. Right now it's getting away a lot of dirt. I didn't think it would work as good as this, but well, look at it. It's working quite well. So this is a cloth. Let's just get it up. And let's wipe away. Sorry guys, I just went off track a minute. And wow, as good as new. Yeah, you can't. I don't think you guys can actually tell the difference, but because of the lighting shades. But right now it is looking as good as new. I didn't actually expect that this would do such good thingy, but I'm actually quite shocked. And I picked this up at Palmworld as well for £1. And so let's go and rate it. I would rate this. Let's give this a 10 out of 10, because come on, you wouldn't expect something like this from Palmworld to do such a great job. And considering it comes with a cloth and a brush, and because normally you just buy a solution and use any cloth that could damage your screen, but this comes fully kitted, and that's a really good thing. And yeah, I would recommend this to anyone living in the UK, just to go to Poundworld or Poundland and pick up this. And the same with the Cyber Clean. Anyone living in the UK, Poundland or Poundworld, go grab yourself one of these. This has been James from the City of Tech UK. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, inquiries or video requests, please do not hesitate to email me at TheCityofTechUK@live.co.uk. That's TheCityofTechUK@live.uk. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.